Hi, I put my thing down with my remote control and welcome back to the Savvy Reseller. I'm Shelley and I buy things from car boots, charity shops and wholesale to sell on eBay, Vinted, Etsy and Depop. The last two, I don't sell that many, but I'm giving it a go. You've got to give it a go, eh? Yeah, so this week I've been to the Tattersall Lakes, Rock the Lakes concert. Oh, brilliant. And I had this delivered this morning. So this is, it's called the Summer Bundle. It's a new bundle. It were on offer because it was a new thing they were doing. So it cost me £100. It's normally 130. And as I'm recording this on the Monday, they're coming back in stock tonight. I'm not sure if they're going to be 100 or 130, the full price. But let's see what you get for your 100 squid. I thought I'd give it a go. It's a summer one, so hopefully lots of... I don't know about anybody else, but summer clothes, they don't sell for as much. Though the Columbia jackets are doing good. So we'll have a look at that. And these, as you can see in the background there, I've taken over the whole house. The clothes pod thing is full of sweatshirts. I did a video, I did it in 3 separate lots, so I did 3 boxes of stuff. I thought they were all of them, I thought you got one of these boxes each, but it weren't. In the Summit bundle, you get 3 boxes like that one. So quite big boxes. And yeah, they were free. I'll put it up on here if I can remember too. I think about 325 quid. But there were a lot in it, like bottoms feeler, there was some vintage Reebok, there were Nautica, Nike, Adidas, a bit of women's, not much, and some rain jackets, Levi jackets. It's quite nice. There were loads. I've got 3 massive boxes in my daughter's bedroom. One's got black sweaters in and zip-up hoodies and things. One's got grey and the others has got light and coloured. So seriously, taking over the house, they all need washing. So until I wash them, the storage area. Anyway, enough of that. I'm not going to bore you. Let's get this opened and see what you get for 100 quid. This is Lynch Wholesale, by the way. I'm not sponsored. I don't have any links for discount codes or anything. I just buy it to see. Because when it comes to winter, you've only got charity shops. Car boots don't go that long round here. So I need a supply. So let's give it a go. Let's have a look. As I said, t-shirts. No idea what we'll get in it. So it's supposed to be summer. So there's supposed to be t-shirts, shorts, light windbreakers, things like that. Polo shirts. This is a Nike tee. I'm presuming it's got pink on it. That's a woman's. That's all right, stick that on. Size small. It's got to be a woman's size. It's got smiley faces on there quite. Have a look. Quite like that one. That's a Nike tee. I haven't got my dream box yet. I'm still waiting for that. Then we've got a New Balance XL 18 to 20. That is never a woman's size 18. You get out. I'm not going to get that anywhere near me. Anyway, it's a New Balance t-shirt. Jesus. Be Jesus. That makes you feel fat. A Nike large t-shirt. That's a bit different. That one. We'll count these after, quickly. North Face. I can't read, that's a bit faded inside, look. That's a North Face, bit like, I call these like, bit like activewear stuff. I put one of them on. This morning I got a North Face in my Summit bundle, 4 or 5 pieces. A Nike tee. That's small as well. Just a plain black t-shirt. Puma sweatshirt. That doesn't look very big either. Hold on. Have a look at that. Puma sweatshirt in a small. All right. Condition's all right. It just only didn't. That's another Puma. You can tell when you look at them, can't you? At least they've got the drawstrings on. Puma sweatshirt. Not the best brand, is it, Puma? It's a large. Puma sweatshirt. I've got, not very summery either, is it, an hoodie? I've got an NFL team apparel in a medium. I like that one. That's quite nice. Next one out is a NFL team apparel in a small. It's nice and bright. Does it say on arms? Steelers. I'm presuming that's some kind of American thing. When I think of Steelers, I think of the, that's a quarter zip. I think of the Sheffield Steelers. And I've got a white sweater. What's that one? That's a Nike. It's a woman's sweater. That's got to be a small again. It's tiny. Large. No, that is not large, is it? It's not large. Please tell me that Nike are small sizes. And get off of me in that. Under Armour. Youth large. Like a zip up jackety thing. Oh, pair of shorts. Woohoo. Adidas regular fit XL. Again, I don't know if they must be kids. They're not men's XL, are they? Another pair of shorts. Adidas, obviously, with stripes. Don't know what size they are. They're just box standard. Aero dry things. Got a pair of trousers. Burberry London. That's a nice one. Yep, that all works. They're quite wide ones. Like Andy Pandy trousers. I'm showing my age now. Andy Pandy. Size is that? It's a bit hard to see. It says 50 on here. That can't be size 50. Pelican. I'll have a look anyway later. I'll just show you that. 50. What's that about? Look quite big, but they're not 50. Anyway, the Burberry. Burberry's good, isn't it? I've got a pair of Puma tracky bottoms. That'll do. I've got Nike. They're quite small, aren't they? I've got a thing on the bum. I like them. They're a bit different. I do like them. So I spend more than this at a car boots. I thought, let's see what you get. I've got a US Polo Assassin shirt. I'm showing you before I look at it. It's got that. It's gone from US Polo Assassin. Got buttons there. Yeah, that's nice. Good iron and a steam. You can't beat your steamer. Pair of Adidas extra small joggers. All right. I've got a Levi's sweater. It says 16 in it. Presuming that's the size in there. I like that. I have to stop pinching things. When I went away, because it rained all weekend, it absolutely peed it down Saturday night. So the Columbia jackets, now I've got the bundle, I took a white one of them, zip up, and I had it on all weekend. It were brilliant. It were brilliant. And I'd pinched some Converse white leather baseball shoes. That's the thing when you've got your own stock upstairs. I'll just have a look. Adidas large, men's shorts. A little bit different. They've got a bit of grey on the sides there. Tommy Hilfiger large, the short sleeve shirt. That's a nice one. Yep. Checking buttons are there. Then I've got a Tommy Hilfiger large. It's a long sleeve cotton shirt. That's all right too. Another shirt here. Another Tommy Hilfiger medium. That feels nice though. shirt. I've got this t-shirt. It's a quarter zip Adidas. And it's a large. That's alright too. That jacket. Reebok. I think Stanley. Somebody's obviously walked past door, sorry. Large Reebok. It's like a shell jacket. I think that tags an older one. Oh, I've got that. Quiet. Hey. This is an heavy one as well. Nike. This is a quarter zip. Hoodie. Stanley. Sorry. Stanley, stop it. That's that one. Excuse my dog. I'm going to go and push him off settee in a minute. Then we've got an Adidas pair of shorts. I've got some shorts in here. Not many now. We've got, I don't think there's anything. They've got to be Adidas, but I can't see a label in these. So you've got some small things. There's no label in them, but it's got Adidas on bottom. Child's. I don't like kids stuff. It don't sell very well, does it? Reebok Shell joggers. Straight leg. And these are nice. Adidas. Pink ladies. Not the pink ladies, I'm not on about grease here. Pink ladies bottoms. And it's empty. So let's see how many items we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, let's put one mini, be easier, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 items, and my scissors were mine. So for £100 you get 30 items. I don't think they're all summer. I won't say some of them like the thicker quarter zip hoodies are summer. And a couple of other bits. A couple of kids things in there. You know, children's things don't sell for very much, do they? But overall, for £100, that's not bad, is it? I quite like that one. So that's that one done. I've just got the dream box to come, which is supposed to be all top-notch stuff. We'll see. We'll see, because they're not cheap. But I thought if it's really good stuff that are going to sell for like 40 quid each, it's worth getting. If it's stuff that's going to sell for 20 quid each, it's not worth doing. So we'll see. I'll let you know when that one comes. Anyway, thank you for watching. You've been great as always. And like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. See you later.